Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Where is my angel? Angel, ito ka na. Punta kami ng saan tayo punta? Greek something? Time check. It's 10:52 Saturday, June 1. Kasama ko si Angel.
Hey, don't record me.
Don't record me. Pero smiley. Ganda ng shades Prada. Ganda ng shades Ganda ng shades si Angela Prada. So punta kami ng Greek. Let's go. I-goggles natin. Saan tayo pupunta? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, really?
So, dito tayo pupunta. Siyan na yan. Ito. Yan. Hey, play. Ayaw naman play.
Daddy, come on. I'm
Hindi,
working today. Yeah, hurry. We got things to do.
Ay, it's not working. Okay, let's go. Ayan na. Ito, dyan tayo pupunta. It's 21 minutes. Let's go.
Hey, anong...
Starting route to 10830 Downey Avenue.
Let's go.
Anong oras na ba
Head
dyan?
south on Wilder Avenue. Greek grandmas out here serving up some of the most unique and authentic foods. Everything is prepared right in front of you, from the freshly carved gyros to the souvlaki just dripping in meat juices. They even got fall-off-the-bone tender rotisserie chicken and lamb. And for dessert, these lucamades or Greek donuts are some of the best. Live music, a kid zone, and entertainment too. Did you know this weekend in Downey is one of the biggest Greek food festivals in Southern California? You got all the Greek grandmas out here serving up some of the most unique and authentic foods. Everything is prepared right in front of you, from the fresh.
Dito na tayo sa
In 3.3 kilometers, turn right onto Downey Avenue.
Gosh. Pass this light?
down area.
Went to the wrong one.
No, tama lang. Ayaw nga no.
Sabi niya pass light
At the light, turn right onto Downey Avenue. Then turn right into the parking lot.
Oh, parking lot daw.
No, doon ka siguro sa dulo.
Turn right.
Ha?
Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route. Turn left onto 2nd Street, then turn right onto Downey Avenue.
Second Street.
Diretso ka na kayo.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Downey Avenue, then turn right into the parking lot.
Downey Avenue dapat. Four-way stop to ano.
Saan ka pupunta?
Car park. 200 meters.
ka, doon ka.
Let's
Yan,
go.
Greek. Oh, there you go.
Oh, parang Pilipino. Ano siguro to na?
Turn right onto Lavia Street.
$5.
What the heck?
Kasi tayo pwede mag-park
Turn
dito.
right into the parking lot.
No parking.
Mom, where did you find it?
Oh, like, Angel.
Pwede tayo mag-park sa... Walang parking.
Maghanap ka dyan,
Looks
darling.
kind of small.
Tayong park. Okay, nandito na kami pero medyo malayo kami nga nag-park. Tingnan natin yung camera ni Angel na bago. Angel, let me see your camera. Ayan o, bago. Ganda o. DJI.
It's my father.
Wow, Angel, I want that.
Look, you can do this too.
Ganda. Shit.
And then flip it.
Ganda, yan ang gusto ko dyan.
And then...
Can I have it?
No! And then you can go like this.
Wow. Gusto ko yan dyan.
Ito pa pala, Angel.
You want everything!
Sige nga, open mo. Zoom mo nga.
Later!
Ayun na. Welcome. Downey Greek Food Festival. Ay pila din no. So nandito na tayo sa kakaibang hindi Pinoy ngayon. Ano tayo ngayon daw? Greek food. Yan.
Yeah, girl, like you know.
I-zoom mo nga yung malayo. Tingnan nga natin. Doon. Yun sa may
No, it can only go that much.
Let me see.
Is this the end of the line?
Yeah.
Oh, doon nga sa malayo.
Like that, that's it.
Paano mo sinusum?
It's like a button.
Wow, tapos ano pa yung picture? Paano pagkaharap ng camera? Mari ako. Ganda naman! Hello! Oh, yun lang ang ano mo. Yeah, bakit di mo ko binilan?
Okay.
Bakit meron? Wala siyang SD card?
No, it does, but I don't know how to fix it.
Dali lang.
No, I put it in there, but I don't
No,
know why.
mali yata. Mali.
Yeah, you want to do it?
Labasin mo.
No, not right now.
Eh. Sige, tingnan ko.
You don't even have like a pick. Yeah. So you don't have a pick.
You did it wrong, man.
Shit, really?
Yeah. Kapag ganyan, mali yung pagkalagay niya.
I don't think so.
How many?
200.
256? Yeah, dapat. Dapat pag nagta-travel tayo yung terabyte.
No, I think I did it right.
Yeah. Pumasok na, di ba?
Hmm.
Ano? Sige.
I did it.
Di ba?
Yeah, see?
Ano sabi? Saglit. SD card, speed. Ano sabi?
It's slow. I don't know.
Meron
why.
bang laman yun? O, yun?
Yeah, it's
Dapat tanggalin mo. Ay nyo?
Huh?
Meron bang laman yun o bago din?
Yeah, it's new.
Packet 3, I want this. I want this packet 3.
No, it's not.
Angel,
Mine.
gusto ko yan.
Get over.
Gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yan. Okay na.
Ew, don't get your hands on it.
Kabay muna tayo.
I'm hungry. Oh my god, what is this line?
Haba ng pila oh. Ano to? Ano yun?
Pocket 3. This is like, you know how like iPhone 2, 3. This
Bluetooth?
no, you know how like this
Parada po.
iPhone 12, iPhone 13. It's like that for Pocket 3. There's 1, 2, 3.
I know, this is the latest, right?
And then like you could add this. So you could just hold it like this. So it's like,
Oo, kaya nga eh. Mas maganda. Tago, di ba?
yeah.
Don't touch the screen.
And then this is just the tripod.
Ah, so hindi siya kasama.
No.
Pag binili mo, is only this
Oh,
one.
I don't know actually.
So how do you kunwari, gusto ko open para ito?
Open it like this.
You need to touch it. Yeah. Tanggalin mo yan. Yan. Ito.
Record, yeah.
Ito. Front.
And then if you want to
Hindi,
play...
record natin.
No, not yet.
Record dan?
No, don't waste
Here.
it.
No.
No.
No. Record, don't waste it. Ganda
And then if you
ba?
want to put the tripod.
Oh, close.
You could also record it like this way.
Pangit yan. Pang ano yan? Dapat horizontal lang.
Di ba pala open? 11:30.
What?
Pila na oh.
You're not open yet?
How long is gonna like extend?
2 minutes. It's not
How long?
long. You just put it.
Yeah.
It's cute if you want like a tiny.
So, hindi. Gusto ko hindi.
Work harder. You'll get it.
Asan na yung eyeglass mo na may camera? Open! Natin kape natin. So, tingnan yung transfer. Yan, open sila. Ito pala ito, St. George, Orthodox Church. Downey Greek Festival. Open na sila. Tayo natin. Welcome. St. George Greek, yan o, hello. St. George Greek Orthodox Church.
See this one here?
Okay, so may entrance fee tayo. Ayan o. Kanilang entrance fee. Saturday, it's $5. Right, $5. Hi there.
How many? 3 adults? Depends on the light.
Baby ka pa.
Baby.
Bring
Thank
her up.
you.
Thank you. Yes, we're in. Oh, tingin tayo dito. Hi there. Oh, sorry. Oh, nice. Mamaya, balik. I'll be right back. Saan na sila? Sa unang accessories. Kaya ako kung may pagkain doon.
So much.
Tingin tayo doon. Yun, mga accessories din. Kaya mamaya balikan natin dito. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Ito yung nahanap ko. How much is it, sir? $10? Yes. Ganda. Yung mga... Balik ako mamaya. $10. Be right back. Okay? Thank you. Kainan. Oh, sure. May cultural center din doon. Wow! Yun oh. Wow. Lamp? Is this lamp? Wow! Yun pa oh. Grabe. Lamb yan. Chicken. Yan ang gusto ko. Yan o. Ito naman ay Greek four-wheel. Parang ano din, parang Filipino ano din, style. Oh, may raffle draw din sila dito. Raffle draw. Grabe. Dami na ng tao. Gutom na ako. Gusto ko ng lamb. May banda rin dyan. There's my lamb. Yes, yes. What? Wow.
Guys, we got yelled at here. That this is a church. People supposed to be nice to us. Okay, what did we get?
Kain muna tayo. Yan ang ating magkain. Busket, yung kaninang niluto.
Yung dalawang matanda magkasunod eh. Ano?
Angel. Ganda nung kay Angel.
May dalawang matapang dito.
Nagalit yung may-ari. Nagalit yung may-ari. Sige tayo. Gel. 1, 2, 3. Ang stall wala. Greek lang. Lam. You know.
Somebody's excited.
Let's go. Busog na. Haba pa rin ang pila, oh. Rap.
The lamp on the back.
Ha?
Did you see the lamp on the
Kaya
back?
nga.
Bro.
Yeah, the good ones are.
Cute nito. That's it. Let's go. Busog, busog, busog. Yan o. Dami pa rin sila. Dami pa rin pumapasok. Downey Greek Food Festival. Ito, dito sa St. George Greek Orthodox Church. Tara, let's bagets. Meron naman dyan.
Public market. Uy, wow, Angel.
Angel, there's more. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go.
Maybe that's the one that we're supposed to go to.
Oo nga, baka dito naman
Hindi,
yun.
nakita ko yun sa ano yung...
Yan na, meron na naman dyan, no? Yan, no? Daming ano ngayon, no? Oh, yan, no? Mexican naman to, Mexican market. So, no. This is Portos yan, maganda rin yan. Malakas yan, Portos Bakery dito sa California. Portos Bakery Cafe. Malakas yan. Portos.
Ayaw niyan magpaano pa eh.
Franchise. Left side ako?
Dari, right ka.
Right or left?
1.9, right, south, 605 south.
Right ako
1 ano pa, 1 mile.
Okay. Pangalan yan.
Raulu.
Two for
Raul.
$2 on
Tapos,
Thursday.
Raul.
Pretty good.
Kano? Tapos Raul.
They had good food at Mexico.
Diyan ba't di mo binili yung pinapabili ko?
How's the
They were
place
charging
though?
us $30.
How's the place though?
Di maganda?
It's okay. It's like kind of like healthy. But yeah.
Okay, dito na.
Sa kabila, dito.
Bili tayo ng cake daw, sabi ni Jel. Big time. Big time ka, Angel? Lot of money?
Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Ang ano dad? At saka...
No! Who are you? Okay, and then this one.
Hello, it's ready. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Mabuhay! Ang Pilipino! Mabuhay!
So you said like you have the app?
Yeah.
Let me see. Pagkatapos ng kainan sa Greek. Shit, sarap na amoy. Greek sa Downey kanina. Hindi masyado masarap yung lamb. Aamoy ko naman ang amoy dito. Ayun, no? East Buffet. Kakagutom. Pagkalabas mo ng gym, ayan naman, buffet naman dyan. Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Parang ulan na. Gabi na. It's gabi na. That's it, pansit. Ilocano Pinoy, Ilocano Pinoy, Batang Eliu, Babush. Tapos may kalasan din, may buffet, Is buffet.